What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. As you guys can see, I am right outside of Dollar Tree. You guys, this is that super big location that I love. I love the big stickers that they added to the windows. This is the location that's right next to Aldi. I can't wait to see what's new. So many of you guys have been finding so many deals, and look you guys, we have some deals already. Look you guys, we have 4 Zoa for $1. 4 Zoa for $1 in wild orange, 100 calories, and this has the natural caffeine. I think it's just the wild orange flavor. Donations. Do you guys have donation boxes in your Dollar Trees? Whoa, lots of new Halloween items. Items like what we would see in Michael's. We have the little glass canisters, the little pumpkins with the roses, the sort of purplish pink pumpkin with the black flowers. You know what we haven't done for a while? We haven't done a Dossier haul for a while. I chose Floral Lang Lang, which is a dupe of Chanel's Gabrielle, and to Birdy and I, it smells like a gossiping rich lady at brunch. Fresh pops of mint and grapes and ripe fruit. You guys know I love the packaging with the little magnetic lid, and I also love that it's eau de parfum. It has a nice high concentration, and look how much product we get, 1.7 ounces. You guys are about to see my collection here in a minute. This next one is Ambery Vanilla. Those are some of my favorites in the back. Ambery Vanilla smells very like Las Vegas, sexy, powerful. Again, Birdy's take on it is it's a rich lady on vacation. It's a fun fragrance, but very sexy and very womanly. So again, I chose Floral Lang Lang, which is a dupe for Chanel's Gabrielle, and I chose Ambery Vanilla. These are some of my other favorites. This is a perfume tray my granny gave me many years ago that I've kept, and I just decided to dedicate the whole tray to nothing but Dossier fragrances because I love them so much. By the way, you guys, if you want to save 10% on this purchase and get $10 store credit, try using the new checkout method called Catch. You can use it on other sites besides Dossier. It's just kind of like an alternative payment method, and I think you guys are really gonna like it. Anyways, these are the 2 I grabbed. I love them both so much. Let me know what you picked up from Dossier. All of these are brand new this week. The purple, the orange, party favor syringes. These say poison. Those are in plastic. This is also in plastic. Get your witch on, also in plastic. Feeling pumped. Plastic also. Happy hauntings. We have the putties. We have the rings. The little wind-up toys, the little hoppers. These are kind of cute. The modeling foam beads, vampire teeth, of course, the lace table runner, shot glasses, pick your poison, party drink bags, 4 drink bags in a pack, and it says vampire blood, window decorations, the little skeleton tongs. And behind me, we have even more items for Halloween. All the candy totes, infinity scarves, knee-high socks, fuzzy socks. These fuzzy ones are really cute. The little zipper seal bags, 32 a pack. These are cute. Oh, look at these. They have the little pets that are dressed up. They also have these. The candy corn ones are so cute. 32 a pack. We also have the treat buckets and containers. Trick-or-treating with my Nomies. Shirts and backpacks. The super cute shaker rainbow. The little fidget little zipper case. Phone loops. Micro USB cables. Super cute stuff. The cell phone cases. This is a cute little silky scarf. These are so cute. The bubble snap pens. Yes, this week is definitely filled with lots of Halloween items. These are all new for the year. And even more sensor items for Halloween behind me. The little metal cat and the little metal ghost. The little LED candles. The little LED lanterns. That's a nice size for $1.25. Creep it real. Creep it real. Oh, look at these cookie cutters for Thanksgiving. Little acorns. All the little muffin pans, the Halloween muffin pans. Even more pumpkins. These have a little layer of velvet on them. Oh, these are so cute. The little pumpkins with the lids. This is my first time seeing these. And then, of course, all the Halloween candy is here. Candy corn, Airheads. Ooh, what's this? Sweets and sours, 50 pieces. Sweet and juicy candy, Fruit Chews, Tiger Pops, and Bon Bon Bum gum-filled sour lollipops, 50 things in a bag. The Airhead mini bar bags. The Kool-Aid Ghoul-Aid popping candy. Those are new. Bags of dots for $1.25. We even have sour taffy warheads. I have been craving Nerds, and it seems like they always come out with little fun-size packs of Nerds around this time. Ooh, these are so good. The Tootsie Fruit Chews, love those. Krabby Patties. The Charms mini pops are back. 40 in a bag, you guys. 40. And then we have 38 pieces. This is 1 pound of bubblegum pops. Tutti Frutti, green apple, and strawberry. 38 in a bag. Wow. We also have, ooh, did someone just put it over here? Oh, they just did. The Hi-Chew Sour Punch Twists. And then behind me, we have a whole bunch of Halloween items. You guys have probably seen most of these. These are so cute. My cats love playing with ping pong balls. These aren't quite ping pong balls, but I think they would really like these. all the wood crafts. These are so adorable. Uh-oh. Be thankful. We have Happy Pumpkin Season. Those are 4 for $1. Now they're 10 for $1. Most of these other items are 2 for $1. Hostess, Zaps, items like that. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you were brand new, welcome to the channel. I would love for you guys to go ahead and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe, and now you're part of the family. But all right, you guys, thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.